Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, dudes and dudettes, to the most monumental channel here on YouTube. And good morning, familia. Welcome back to another David pre-market live stream where we break down the madness before the market opens so you can trade smarter, not harder. If you're new here, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into what's moving the markets. And there's a few things that I was reviewing earlier today with my friend Edwin Murati. By the way, shout out to everybody from Puerto Rico. Saludos a todo el mundo de Puerto Rico. First things first, the market is in the red this morning. S&P futures are down 1%, Nasdaq 1.1, and the Dow 0.6. And the reason, I think you already know. Right, Chewy? Exactly. And what else, bro? Exactly, bro. You already know. Yes, President Trump is set to announce massive country-based tariffs today at 4 p.m. Eastern. No one knows the full details yet. And that's what's got Wall Street sweating. Deutsche Bank and UBS are both warning both unpredictability, legal loopholes, and how U.S. companies might react. If you're wondering what this means for inflation and stagflation fears, buckle up. Yes, but there's some other news that I wanted to share with all of you guys. Very, very interesting over here. Let me go ahead and get some music in the background. There we go. Let's get activated. So the other article that I got is this ADP jobs report. Let's balance that out. ADP just reported a strong plus 155K private sector jobs in March, crushing the 120K estimate. Even February got revised up. Big gains came from professional services and finance, with the Northeast and Midwest leading. Pay growth slowed slightly, but this is still a bullish signal for employment. So, strong labor market, but rising uncertainty on trade. That's the tricky combo, bro. We were looking a little bit better, and you know what? Since I'm talking about it, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the DXY and see what's happening with the dollar. So the dollar is actually going down right now, 103.97. So even though I was telling everyone maybe this is gonna be a little bit bullish, but the uncertainty from the tariffs, is gonna be a tricky one. But you can see that the DXY is getting rejection here, so I'm gonna keep an eye on all of this. As you can see, we're still consolidating. SPX 5,633 yesterday's close. We ended with a bullish candle, created a double bottom. Let's see. I don't know. US 100. Oh, this one looks a little bit more bearish in the daily. As you can see, the weekly, it is creating a rejection in the zone. Let's wait and find out how it will behave when Trump speaks. IXIC 17,449. We are creating some support. Hey. And US oil $70.83. Gold still rising, 3,124. When you don't want to risk it, buy gold. That's what they do, bro. Literally, look at this. When there's fear, gold is here. But how is crypto looking? I want to keep an eye on crypto real quick. So let's do cryptobubbles.net. This is a great tool for an overall market review. And in the daily, you can see a lot of red. But in the hourly, we have a lot of green. So let's go to Bitcoin, 84,907. I don't know if you see this at one or Gamerlog. Dímelo, brother. Gamerlog, dímelo. Not you, Doobie. Doobie, look at this. Look at this wick from Bitcoin. What the heck was that, bro? Do you see that in your broker? Because I don't see that on my broker, but I see it on here on the trading view. Good thing about Bitcoin right now is above the 200 EMA, the 50 and the 200 are crossing, which is something that I really want to keep an eye on. As you can see here, definitely something that I want to keep an eye on. Doobie Doobie, good to see you, bro. I missed you, bro. What about you, Gamer Log? How you doing, bro? So Ethereum, it did break a trend line. I want to keep an eye on this because you can see we didn't break the major trend line here. We're still in a downtrend. Cardano 68 cents. We were doing good this morning. Let's look at the 4-hour candle. Still bullish. Okay, not that bad. XRP $2.11. Not a lot of movement. Something that I want to keep an eye on. I mean, we did go down to 208, 207. Gonna watch out for that. Avalanche is at 19.04. I'm actually in Avalanche, but I'm gonna keep an eye on it as well. See, I buy signal here for the lower time frame, but I wanna keep an eye on the higher time frame. And we're going down, actually. The tariffs are actually impacting everything, huh? Let's see. Let me remove this. Let me add some zones. It's good. Still got a buy signal in the 5 minutes. We'll see. And then let me take a look at Solana. Solana 126, bro. What the heck? Solana has been very, very low. Great support there. Let's see if it breaks and creates a higher high. But anyways, guys, more news that I want to review with all of you. For example, this one, Rivian. Let's talk about Rivian. They delivered 8,640 vehicles in Q1, beating estimates by a hair. They're staying on track with their 2025 delivery targets too, which is solid. And let's take a quick look. We're here, Rivian Automotive. Dímelo, 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 my brother. Gamer Log. Good to see you, my bro. So pre-market, we are down to 12.87. Where is my tool here? My price range to see how much we are down. 2.2%, so basically 2.2. Not that much. But why tariff fears are spooking the auto sector overall? Oh, and they just announced a micromobility spinoff called Also Inc., which could be a long-term win. And if you look over here, guys, we did break out of a major trend line. So maybe we'll have to wait and find out. Maybe some people want to scare us off. Look at this. We're actually creating a new uptrend. Well, you know what we need to see now? Is a break of this resistance. We break out of this resistance and we have an opportunity for upside. And look at Rivian. Rivian has a lot of opportunity here for upside. So I want to keep an eye on it, bro. Hopefully we'll get a little bit more clarity during the day. But anyways, the next one I want to check out is Meta. So let's go ahead and pull up the Meta's chart real quick. Yesterday we closed at 586. We're still in an uptrend. We did break a trend line in the 4-hour, but we're down to 575. But what's happening? So Meta is back in hot water. A Senate panel is investigating Project Alderan, an alleged plan to enter the Chinese market by building censorship tools. There's some heavy political heat on Zuckerberg right now. Meta says they scrapped the idea in 2019, but the Senate wants all internal records since 2014. This might just be the start of a new regulatory wave. And that's the only issue that I see with social media companies is content moderation. Unless you're doing X, which I believe they love. They love spreading whatever there is. What do you think, guys? What do you think about Meta? Oh my God, it's raining over here in Chicago. Oh, guys, I actually think I made a mistake on my live stream. Let me fix that real quick, guys. Whoopee. Let me get this over here. So I made a mistake. But this is actually going better than the other one. Why do I have fighting subscribers in Blox Fruits? Okay, let me fix this real quick, guys. And it's crazy. This is not the gaming channel, bro. But it's alright. I'll fix it. There you go. I fixed the title. I apologize, guys. I may have been confused here. There you go. So this is fixed now. Guys, if you have any suggestions, any comments, let me know right now, guys. Actually fixing everything right now. Okay, this is perfect. Doobie, how you doing, bro? Dímelo, Eury. ¿Y cómo tú estás? ¿Todo bien? Gusto en verte, tanto tiempo. Rivian, Meta. Oh, ChatGPT, bro. Let's talk about ChatGPT. This is a crazy one. So, okay, ChatGPT, bro. AI time. ChatGPT just hit 150 million weekly users, breaking all records thanks to their Ghibli effect for animated art. OpenAI servers even slowed down from all the traffic. Revenue is up, app installs are up, and they're working on a $40 billion funding round. Microsoft must be smiling. This is a major validation of their bet on OpenAI. And ChatGPT is not public, as we already know, but it's been doing well. And I've been using ChatGPT for a lot of things, guys. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna lie, I do use it a lot. Microsoft 378.22. So I believe Microsoft is actually buying part of it. You can see we have a buy signal in the 4 hours. See, this is very, very interesting. And if you are wondering where I'm getting that buy signal, so I have an indicator called two-pole oscillator by Big Beluga. Not totally right all the time, but it will definitely guide you, I will say, entries and take profits. That's your gamer name, Eury? What do you play? ¿Qué tú juegas? Yo juego muchas cosas también. De hecho, me deberías de seguir en el canal de King David. Juego mucho allá. Gamer name. Let's go. I should have just put just chatting over here. Last one is gonna be Snowflake. So Snowflake here started with neutral rating at Macquarie. Let's check out Snow real quick. Snow 145. It's at a trend line here. Still good. Let me add an uptrend here. So this is actually not looking bad. Let me see. Good, bro. Just started a new gig. Yeah. What is a good? What is your gig, bro? Venice AI is better in my opinion. It's less politically correct and less censored. Oh yeah. Do you know who's behind it? Final Fantasy. Ooh. Oh, that would be an awesome game to play. Final Fantasy. I play a lot of Roblox, Call of Duty. Call of Duty, I don't stream that much. I do stream a lot Roblox. It's just fun. They also have crypto coin called VVV. Not sure how they two correlate. Interesting. Maybe the VVV is like the value, like the valuation. Maybe they, instead of a stock, is the crypto. You know, there's been a lot of conversations about tokenization of companies. Maybe that's it. So over here for Snowflake, just got neutral coverage from Macquarie. They love the data warehousing opportunity, but warn about AI competition and macro pressures. If you're watching Snow, this is one to keep an eye on. Strong long term, but maybe bumpy short term. And as you can see, yeah, it's a little bit bumpy. Can definitely go down a little bit more. And let me check out real quick crypto. So Bitcoin 84,666. I don't even know what happened here, bro. Let me share this to my friend real quick. Let me share this channel to my friend. Dame compartirle esto a mi amigo. Que sin querer puse el canal puse el link incorrecto. I made a mistake creating this live stream, bro. Let me see what you said. It's an MMO. Ooh, I love maximum multiplayer online. What is it? MMO, maximum multiplayer. I forgot cómo se dice la sigla esa. MMO meaning. Bro, I should just do a freaking just chatting. I thought I was gonna do it today. I didn't do it. Oh, crypto is massively multiplayer online game. Massive multiplayer online. There you go, there you go. You started an enterprise account executive. What, bro? GG's, congrats, bro. That's amazing. I know, Chewy. Congrats, bro. That's something to celebrate about, bro. Felicidades, mano. Bro, maybe we can work together one day. I do work a lot with account executives. You know, do you know I'm a technology manager, right? I'm a tech manager for pharma, bro. Avalanche is going down. No. I think everything... Well, he's giving me a buy signal here, man. Come on, bro. Go up. Crypto bubble. So let's see. Woo! We're getting red all over the place. No, we were doing so well. I'm still in profit, though. Surviving. Let's see stock market heat map. And let's see what you guys are looking for. Guys, I would love to play with you one day, Odi. Do you have it a PC, PS5? What is the console that you use? By the way, let's see. You guys are looking for best dividend stocks, new IPO stocks, Magnificent 7 stocks. Look at that. I did a video about it yesterday. Trump news, Nvidia stock price. Okay, I'll do a video about that. Amazon, AMD, tariff news, stock market today, Tesla delivery numbers. Anything here that I should do a video about? Microsoft, top dividends. Dang it. Surviving. So Avalanche did go down. Okay, no entries for me then. Dímelo, dímelo. Let's see. We have a partner program for IT to get paid for referrals that close. Oh, yeah. That's perfect, bro. We do the same, bro. Like, if we get a new person in the company, we get referrals. I'm looking at the chat over here, so I want to make sure that I don't miss you guys. Look at Tesla. Tesla or Tesla? The heck is Tesla? TSLY? Like the yield max Tesla option income strategy ETF? You want me to look at that? Let me know, bro. Let me know if that's it. Yep, TSLY. Got it. Let's look at it, bro. Whoosh. Tesla. So option income strategy is TF. Still in a downtrend. But we have this here. Four-hour has a sell. Ooh, no, bro. Well, it has a buy here too, by super trends. So I would say just wait for the. I don't know what you're looking for. Are you looking for this to go up, to this to go down? What is the correlation with Tesla? Like you must have better perspective than me. PC, but it's crosswell, so you can play PS and still join me. Ooh, let's go. Oh, dividends? Okay. Oh, the market open, by the way, guys. Oops. Look at that. The market open. Let me see how the market is looking over here overall. So what are you looking for? Buys on that one? It's very cheap. Can it go lower? Well, maybe. The market is red. Look at this. Red and gray. And the red we got is not that crazy bad. Let me see over here. Let me look at Nvidia, bro. $107. Look at this downward channel, bro. Just perfect. 107.34. I think this is not a bad thing, bro. Let me look at the weekly. Weekly can go down to 16. Bro, 69. It will be a beautiful entry. But at least 90s will be good too. 90s, 60s. This is the range I want to buy. Dividends. They do options trades on Tesla and share profits. So its price depends on Tesla price. Oh, okay. Let me see a Tesla right now. Tesla must be down, right? 252s. Oh, still in profit though. Whoosh! Look at that. Nasty. With every, like, the whole protest thing, bro, is really making an impact, but this is gonna be great for buyers, bro. Still haven't broken the major trend line though. 254s. And with the tariffs, look at this. Look at the rejection candle. Ooh, Tesla. So you prefer looking at Tesla instead of Tesla? What is that? By the way, Bitcoin 85,000, bro. Oh my goodness, my bro. What is that? We're making profit. We're making profit. What is that? We're making profit. We're making profit. What is that? We're making profit. We're making profit. What is that? We're kicking booty, motherfucker. Oh my goodness, not bad, bro. By the way, guys, so Doobie, I have a question, bro. So let's say that you buy one Tesla. By the way, looking good. By the way, if we break that trend line, bro, we should be good. But I'm wondering. Actually, we did break a trend line, bro. We did break a trend line. Look at this. We did break a trend line. So let's say that you buy a share. How much do you get? Is it every month, every quarter? I'm thinking every quarter. How much are you getting per share in the dividends? And let me get some music here. Actually, you know what? I want to listen to a song. Give me a second. I want to listen to... Oh, by the way, guys, I'm going to be releasing a new song on the King David channel. King David channel will have a new song exclusive to the King David channel. It's going to be Rockstar, which you already know if you have been following this channel. Let's go. There's my avalanche. There's my avalanche. Boom, 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 boom. Eduardo Murati en la casa, mi bro. What is that? We're making profit. We're making profit. What is that? We're making profit. We're making profit. What is that? We're making profit. We're making profit. What is that? We're kicking booty, motherfucker. Bro, I love that. I love this freaking song, bro. Look at this avalanche, bro. Oh my god. Look at Edwan. What happened here, bro? Look at this. Yesterday I was looking at this like early in the morning. Look at this freaking thing. It wasn't making me a lot of money. I was like, what? And then it went down. Everything that goes up must come down. Look, boom, it went down. But then we broke a trend line. You know how it is. We now broke another trend line. Yeah, I love that. Should I upload it to Spotify? Lo subo a Spotify. I love that. I love it. 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 Yeah, I should do it, right? Oh. Bro, what the heck? How is this channel getting more views today, huh? I love it. It's because I don't have any tags. That's why. It's crazy. You want to buy it on a ringtone? Let me see what... I'll give it to you for free, bro. Yo te lo doy de gratis. Tú eres pana, bro. You're a friend. We gotta make some profit, bro. We gotta get out of this... Oh, by the way. I have an assignment. Mira. Compré un libro. I bought a book. I don't know if you guys are interested. I may, if I like it, I will drop a link to this book. But I am gonna read this. I will teach you to be rich. And it's not like going insane rich, but living the best life that you can. Like not worrying about money, making money work, and you know, just investing in yourself. So I'm gonna read it, and I'll let you guys know. I'm already done with the first chapter, so I'm gonna continue with that. I got it yesterday. Hey, Doobie, have a beautiful day, bro. Thank you for stopping by, bro. Really appreciate it. Let's see what else we should look at, bro. Freaking gold. Look at gold. 3,128. 3,128. That's crazy. The dollar is actually down, the XY, so that is why we're getting a little bit of green in some areas. Not everything, honestly, not everything. Look, but we got some greens like Netflix, Palantir, BLK, J&J, even DoorDash. DoorDash is getting green. I think this is a Maxison Corporation. I will be leaving soon just because I gotta start working. But look at the DXY, bro. DXY down. Maybe that's the direction we need. Dollar down, bro. Make it cheaper to buy stuff or make the assets more valuable. DAI 41,898. SPX 5,611. Nasdaq 76.29, US 100 19,334, IXIC 17,360, US oil going up 71.11. Guys, be ready for things getting more expensive, I guess. Oil goes up, things will get expensive. And you can see we broke this trend line, bro. Wanna watch out for that. Do you think this may be a fake out and we will see more downside? I don't really know. But what exactly, bro? What is going down? Like the dollar, gold, Bitcoin? Like what exactly are you talking about? It was crazy. Bitcoin, what it did yesterday. What is that wick? This wick, I don't even understand it, bro. Look at this. I didn't even see it in the broker. $3,000 wick. It's expensive wick. Expensive AF wick. I hate it. Bitcoin, let's see, 85,000, bro. I don't know, man. Yesterday we had a bullish engulfing and this is starting to become bullish. If the dollar down, Bitcoin up. And what I want to see from Bitcoin, honestly, is break out of these zones here. Get this out of the way. I don't understand that wick is crazy. And that 4 hour is bullish. But you know how it is. Ooh, 1 hour. Oh, this was from yesterday, I think. We got that sell signal there. But it's a tough resistance. We gotta break out of here. See? We're consolidating right now, man. What do you think? Will it break? I don't know, man. I can't tell you. 30 minutes told me that this is a buy at 84,000. And right now, my stop loss is in profit, so I should be fine. We got 7 people watching. Dímelo, Humberto. Dímelo, papo. Biri, Bitcoin. Humberto en la casa, bro. Tanto tiempo, bro. ¿Cómo tú estás, bro? ¿Todo bien? Humberto, ¿de dónde tú eres, bro? ¿Qué país? Crazy, bro. We're getting a lot of viewers today, man. I appreciate the support, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Like. I do this every day, bro. I don't sleep so I can provide you details on these things. Man, this song is driving me nuts. Let me get the good song out. Tú eres de Venezuela, let's go. Pero vive en Orlando, good. Don't go to sleep with your positions open in your margin account. Ah, that happened to me too. Eso me pasó anoche también, bro. Especialmente con Avalanche. Sabrás que Avalanche me hizo $60, bajó a cero. $30, bajó a cero. Y ahora estoy de nuevo en profit. ¡Ey! ¡Qué curioso! Yo sabía, bro. Yo también tenía el ojo pegado ahí. Biri Bitcoin. Yo me emociono, ya no sazono. Ah, yo también, bro. No, y te digo más. El bonk este, mira esto, mira esta porquería. El bonk este me estaba haciendo también $60 aquí. Mira, $60, pum. De nuevo para abajo. Es que está cabrón. Lo tenía que decir, está cabrón. Pues, parte de. ¡Ey, Eury! Gracias a 1,000,000 por estar aquí. Gracias por el apoyo. No sé si tú vienes todos los días, pero agradezco mucho que venga hoy y me saludes. Deberíamos definitivamente jugar Final Fantasy. Yo creo que eso sería un buen juego para streamear. Sígueme en King David. King David. En King David yo hago gaming. Biri Bitcoin. Bueno, ya Avalanche está en profit, bro. Estamos en profit ya. Mira eso. We're back in profit, bro. Mira eso. Ya es un double bottom, bro. We broke a trend line. Now we go going up. I wanna see. Yo quiero ver this break the resistance. I wanna see it at 20, bro. So I can put a good stop loss. Singing in the sound of Bidi Bidi Bam Bam de Selena. Bidi Bidi Bitcoin. Yeah, bro. Ah, Selena, bro. That woman, man. Such a great singer. Great songs. Oh, they changed my meeting. Guys, do you know what is Tango card? What the heck is Tango? I just got... So, can I share something with all of you? So, I've been working for a year in a new company. And they sent me congratulations, you've been here for 1 year. And they sent me a certificate for Tango. Bro, don't tell me. What? Uber? Oh my god, let's go. Adidas, Walmart, H&M. Oh, bro, I can't even use it for Southwest. Oh, let's go, bro. They just sent me a rewards card, bro. That's crazy, bro. Oh my goodness, I didn't know about this. Oh, they really care about me now, huh? My company sending me money, bro. It's like, David, don't leave. Bro, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin. 85,686. Dímelo, Joey. En la casa. Joey, ¿cómo tú estás, mi bro? Yantre, guys, where were you been? What rock have you been sleeping on? Bro, I think you guys are bulls and you were sleeping. Yo creo que ustedes están dormidos. Joey, ¿de dónde tú eres, bro? Dímelo, dímelo, dímelo. I actually got a new song called Dímelo, Dímelo, Dímelo. Oh, I want to share with you. So, since you guys been here with me for so long, I'm going to share a preview of the next song that I'm going to be dropping. Todo bien, estábamos invernando. Ah, yo sabía, bro. Todos los Bulls estaban invernando, bro. Yo sé, yo conozco mi comunidad. Mi comunidad es de Bulls. I know we're Bulls, bro, by heart. Vamos a ver qué pasa con el freaking oro. Porque el oro baja y Bitcoin sube. Mira esto. Oro baja, Bitcoin sube, bro. Ya Bitcoin está en 85. ¡Mira eso! ¡Let's go! ¡Let's go! ¡Vámonos! ¡Vámonos! We're kicking booty, motherfucker. Oh, bro, tú eres de Carolina, Lina, no hay liga. Bro, tú eres de Carolina, bro, respeto mi familia. Yo tengo familiares allí en Carolina. Yo tocaba mucho en Isla Verde. ¿Tú te acuerdas de un lugar que se llama Lupis? Y de hecho había un lugar que se llamaba Drums también. Yo toqué por muchos años allí, bro. Muchos años. Pero ahora estoy en Chicago y estoy tocando por acá. Y voy para Colombia a cantar próximamente. Voy a Colombia en junio. Solamente lo anuncié en un post, pero sí, voy para Colombia, bro. ¡Ey, Eduam! Ya estamos para arriba, bro. Ahora todo se tiene que mantener ahí tranquilito. Tranqui. Bro, yo lo que quiero es poner un freaking stop loss para dormir. ¿Tú entiendes lo que quiero decir? Yo quiero un stop loss en profit. Yo quiero $100,000 en stop loss en profit. Mira para allá, XRP también subiendo. Avalanche. Bro, estamos bien. Vamos a ver una vez más el stock heatmap. Esto me ayuda mucho. Carolina, Lina, no hay liga. Mira, Oracle, Netflix y Palantir están arriba. Tesla 2.5. ¿Qué tú crees de Tesla, bro? ¿Qué ustedes opinan de la situación de Elon Musk, Donald Trump? Quiero escuchar sus opiniones, hermano. Quiero que sean sinceros también conmigo. Quiero que me digan. Y mientras estén formulando su respuesta, quiero ponerle un preview de la canción que viene próximamente. Síganme en King David porque la voy a subir solamente en King David, ¿ok? No va a estar en Spotify, no va a estar en ningún lugar, solo en King David, bro. ¿Ok? Check it out. Mira a ver qué opinas. Por lo menos al principio, mira. Te lo voy a poner ahora rapidillo. Espérate, ¿dónde está? ¿Dónde lo puse? Aquí, mira. Check it out. Dame un poco más de volumen, mi amor. Siente el fuego del estéreo, el sonido de tu canción. Cuando cantas, aceleras mi pulso con tu voz. Lista y en tarima, el show va a comenzar. Ojos en ti, te sientes sexy. La banda comienza a tocar. Ladies and gentlemen, banging the drums, rocking the guitar, slapping the bass. Don't hear it, just feel it. Banging the drums, rocking the guitar, slapping the bass. Don't hear it, just feel it. Yo, qué clase de canción, bro. You remember that? ¿Se acuerdan de eso? Ese es el intro del canal, bro. Ay, papi, vamos a matar liga con esa. El que diga, no, que sí, reggaetón, Bad Bunny, bla. A mí no me importa nada de eso. Yo hago mi música como yo quiera, ¿verdad, Chuy? Exactly, bro. Exactly. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, man, qué live stream, bro. Mira, yo sé que tú dices que Tesla está bajando, pero, y yo lo entiendo perfectamente por qué lo quieres decir. Es que para mí Tesla es una oportunidad muy grande. Honestamente, yo entré en Tesla. Yo entré en 220. Yo compré Tesla en 220. Y te voy a decir por qué. Porque vi un buy signal en dos áreas. Una en mi two-pole oscillator y otra en mi super trend. Entonces, quiero que veas que tenemos un major trend line que hay que romper aquí, obvio. Pero ya rompimos este minor. ¿Ok? Ya hicimos highs en 290. Y si te acercas más y más, creo que hay un potencial aquí increíble, bro. No sé qué exactamente puede pasar, pero ya obviamente bajó lo que tenía que bajar. Como puedes ver aquí, bajó un 122%, que está bien loco, honestamente. 122 es un montón. Y sí, fue a SpongeBob Land, porque eso ya es un crash. Pero nosotros que podíamos, pues, ¿verdad?, ver las cosas un poquito más claras, pues podemos aprovechar esa entrada. 260 todavía está en profit. Pero la verdad, quiero que rompa esto. Quiero que rompa este trendline. Si no rompe el trendline, sigue bajando. Esa es la verdad. No sé cómo tú lo veas, bro, pero yo lo veo como que así. Algo más que deba revisar antes que me vaya, guys. Anything else that I need to review before I go? Man, look at this. Palantir. Keep an eye on Palantir, by the way. Ricey, 987. Bro, we enter Ricey at $1 and something. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you saw about... Mira, by the way, guys. Ustedes saben que Doge está haciendo un review, ¿verdad? Mira esto, bro. Contract update. Agencies terminated 80 wasteful contracts today with a ceiling value of $203 million. And savings of $139 million, including 2.1. Senior advisor in the Democratic Republic of Congo. What the heck is that, bro? If you want to know what Doge is cutting, go to doge.gov. You'll see all the numbers here, bro. Look at this. Look at this. For the past 4 weeks, Social Security has been executing a major cleanup of their records. Approximately 9.9 million number holders, all listed age 120 plus, have now been marked deceased. Another 2 million to go. Wow, that's crazy, bro. Each year, the United States Institute of Peace receives 55 million congressional taxpayer funds. Bro, this is... Oh. Let me see if I can find the... Oh, here's the one. Here, este es el que quiero decirle, bro. Mira esto. Check this out. As of Friday, 4.3 billion of COVID-era funds remain unused and mostly dormant. Thanks to the work of Secretary LCD and Sunderland, 1.4 billion was recovered and returned directly to the Treasury general account, and team is moving urgently to return the remaining $2.9 billion. Bro, this is kind of crazy. I mean, if you want to have more info of what Doge is doing, because a lot of people are saying, oh, Doge is something fake or whatever. Mira, estimate savings, 140 billion. Amount saved per taxpayer, $869. And I remember that this was a $750. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that because I feel like that's a great perspective of what's happening with Doge. And I wanted to share that with all of you. Anyways, Bitcoin, 85,466. Oof, we created some highs at 86,000. Wow, 86,000 for Bitcoin, bro. Ethereum, 1877. Let's see what if Ethereum is gonna do. Ethereum got me confused. ¿Sabes por qué? Porque Ethereum technology is very different, and I don't know. I've been iffy about it. Cardano 68, XRP 212, 212 XRP y llegó a 214 de repente. Avalanche 1916. Oh, Avalanche, no. Once again, down. Once again, look at this. Up and down, up and down. A lot of uncertainty happening right now in the crypto markets and the stock market. Look at the crypto. Boom. Still green in the hour. Daily red. Stock heat map. Mostly red and gray. 4-hour candle closes in 2 hours. So let's see over here. Oh, look at that 30 minutes. Man, crypto is so volatile, bro. I love it and I hate it. See, we got a sell signal here on 1933 for Avalanche. Bitcoin had a sell signal at 85,748 in the 1 minute. Ooh, I don't like that candle, but it's pushing up. Let's see if it continues with the upside. Puedes revisar HMC. Seguro que sí. Seguro que sí. Antes que me vaya. Honda Motor. Honda. Sí, vamos a empezar con el monthly. Voy a hablarlo en español, ¿ok? Vamos a darle support and resistance. Eso es lo primero que hay que hacer. Siempre, siempre, siempre. Entonces, por lo menos la estructura se ve bastante bien. Y de hecho veo ya un channel aquí que hay. Esto es un upward channel, mira esto. Interesante, interesante, pero no estoy muy convencido. Ese es monthly. So, este trendline, ve que no lo hemos roto. Porque cada vez que rompemos un trendline, mira, como esto, eso significa que vamos a subir, ¿ves? Pero, y de igual aquí. So, cuando rompamos este trendline es que quiero decir, ok, un buen opportunity. Problema con Honda ahora mismo es que las tarifas, la incertidumbre de las tarifas. Ahora te puedo decir algo, veo muchos value gaps aquí, 29, 26, 28, 44, estamos en 27. Y entonces si mira el RSI del 4 hour, estamos oversold. Lo único que me falta del RSI es un cruce entre la línea amarilla y el RSI abajo. Ya tú ves en el daily que tenemos un two-pole oscillator buy signal. Es algo que podemos keep an eye on. Bien interesante. Debería mantener el ojo porque, mira, y ya me dio un buy signal en el weekly también. En el super trend. So, lo que falta es romper este trendline. Una vez rompa ese trendline, pues entonces yo pienso que sí puede subir. Y lo bueno de Honda es que también, Honda en este caso paga dividendo. Y no solo eso, Honda es de Japón, ¿verdad? Quiero decir que sí, pero no he confirmado. Espérate. Quiero decir que sí, pero no estoy muy seguro. Espérate. De hecho, yo compré Honda hace tiempo y sigo recibiendo dividendos. Mira, espérate. Warning, HMC is at high risk of cutting its dividend. Pero ve, ellos son de Japón, mira. Ellos son de Japón y yo creo que Japón va a jugar con las reglas de Trump. So que no tendría ningún problema ahí. Pero dice Japan vow to fight back. Déjame ver esto rapidillo. ¿Qué nos dice aquí? So U.S. President Donald Trump's latest 25% tariff on automobile imports have drawn the ire of leaders in Japan and Canada. Déjame que dice Japan Prime Minister. We need to consider what's best for Japan's national interest. We're putting all options on the table in considering the most effective response. New tariffs are expected to impact Japan's economy, given that automobiles accounted for 28% of the country's overall exports to the U.S. last year. Entonces, pues, ya tuve Nissan, Toyota, Honda, Mitsubishi, Subaru y Mazda. Todos se están moviendo hacia abajo. Pero creo que eso fue una oportunidad. Yo creo que toda esta conversación es necesaria. So, vamos a ver qué pasa ahí, bro. No sé qué más decirte ahí. ¿Qué otras noticias podemos ver? Déjame ver. Dividendos se pagan 66 centavos por cada share. Honda Motor reported record light truck sales in March and Q1 2025, rising 26.9% and 15.8% year over year, while car sales fell 10.7% in March. EU fines car makers. What? EU fining? What the heck is that? Honda posts record sales of light trucks in March. US light vehicle sales volume in Q1 2025. Pero ya te di toda la información que puedo darte, bro. No tengo más. Hasta el análisis que te di, yo creo que ya hace sentido lo que te estoy diciendo. So, que hay que esperar ¿Qué rayo Donald Trump va a decir esta tarde? Seguro. Aquí estamos, bro. No te olvides de suscribirte. Y chequéate mi otro canal de YouTube, King David. Ahí yo hago gaming, bro. Mano, quisiera hacer más videos en español también, quiero decirte. No, gracias a ti, gracias a ti. Tenga un buen día, bro. Anything else for me to review, guys? Joey, Murati, Humberto, Eddie, Doobie Doobie, Gamerlog. Tell me right now before I log off. Mira para allá, Bitcoin, 85,716. Oof, with the pullback and then back up. It's the retest of the broken resistance. XRP 212. There's a lot of rumors that XRP is gonna go like to 10,000. What do you guys think about that, man? 10,000 XRP. That will be a crazy amount. And we gotta thank Enoch Line because he was the one that called it out. Like XRP, like I started buying at 28 cents. Avalanche, 1928. Not bad. And let me see my meme coins here real quick. Pepe. Hey, el Pepe está de nuevo con buy signals. El Bunk también. Popcat L1. ¿Está en Popcat o no está en Popcat L1? No sé about Popcat, pero vamos a mantenerle el ojo ahí. El Solana 127. Yo quiero ver Solana subir de nuevo, bro. Mínimo 138. Nah, ya no está en Popcat. Sí, ya como que Popcat no me amuse me that much. Mira, ya Bitcoin, otra vez 85,564. But anyways, guys. Vamos a ver. ¿Alguna otra cosa antes que me vaya? Tengo que hacer alguillo del trabajo. Vamos a ver qué pasa hoy. Dame ver el final. Si cae, todo sube, ¿ok? Para mí lo más importante ahora es el oro, bro. El oro cae, nosotros subimos. Todo lo otro sube. Ahora mismo oro... Mira, algo que quería revisar de oro. Fibonacci. Dame hacer algo rápido. Si ve que estamos llegando al 2.618 de Fibo. Actually, no, mira. Ya llegamos al Fibonacci 2.618. Esto se supone que baje ahora. Y se supone que no es que baje a una eternidad, pero que por lo menos reteste el broken resistance. Si el oro baja, el resto del mercado va a subir. Y ya yo estoy viendo, mira, las cosas están cambiando poco a poco. Mira, dame el refresh al stock heatmap real quick. Ahora tengo 9 viewers, guys. 9 viewers. ¡Wow! 9 freaking viewers. Gracias, bro. Gracias. Tenemos 9 viewers ahora mismo. Wow. Increíble. Gracias, bro. Gracias a todo el mundo por participar y estar aquí, mano. Pero ve, mira. tenemos rojo. Pero el rojo no es tan malo. No es tan crítico. Mira, negativo 0.8. Negativo 1. 1%. Pero veo Palantir, por ejemplo, 1.68 arriba. Vamos a ver qué pasa esta tarde. Lo más importante que yo vi en todo lo que hemos hablado, toda la cosa que yo he dicho... es que hemos bajado, pero tenemos el private sector job growth. Y eso nada más significa que hay más dinero en las manos de la gente. Mira, March US private sector employment came in at 155K versus 120. Y eso es súper significante. Mira esto, Forex Factory. Vamos a verificar estas noticias macro, que no es que me encanta ver las noticias macro, pero hay que verlas. Y entonces tú ves aquí 155 y el previous era 84K. Bro, no puedes decir... Yo siento, le voy a decir mi opinión. Muchos de los despidos del gobierno, del sector del gobierno, ha movido al sector privado. Y es obvio, porque la gente tiene que trabajar, tiene que comer. ¿Entiendes? Tú tienes que comer. Todos tienen que comer, pues tienen que resolver, tienen que buscar un trabajo para resolver o lo que sea. Pues obviamente los números se van a ver positivos. No estoy en el lado de nadie en la política, pero sí quiero demostrarte con los números que nos presentan, porque vamos a estar claros, estos números definitivamente pueden ser manipulados, pero manipulados con contexto. So, despedimos mucha gente, pero entonces aumentamos el employment. ¿Entiendes lo que quiero decir? Entonces, el presidente Trump va a estar hablando a las 3 de la tarde. Tenemos el crude oil inventories a las 9:30, que todavía no ha pasado. Ya en 4 minutos se supone que tengamos volatilidad, pero es amarillo, so que no espero mucho movimiento. El que tiene que tener cuidado es mañana Unemployment Claims, ISM Services PMI y después el NFP. NFP siempre bien volátil para el dólar. Pero mira el oro, bro. Mira el oro. El oro ya está en su all-time high, bro. Mira esto. Ya eso está creando una zona. So que el oro, vamos a esperar qué hace ahí. Todavía está bullish. Todavía está bullish. Mira esto. Todavía estamos bullish. No ha salido de... Mira esto. Mira ese flag. Super bullish. So, vamos a ver qué pasa en el día de hoy. No hay mucho más que decir. Me quedé más tarde en el día de hoy porque se me conectaron tantas personas y estoy como que súper proud de que ustedes estén online. Me alegra mucho verlo a ustedes. Déjame ver Bitcoin antes de irme. Bitcoin creando rejection, ¿ves? Por el oro. Si el oro baja, el Bitcoin debe subir. Pero mira este rejection ya, bro. No me gusta este rejection. Y ya vamos a ver. No, vamos a ver. Dímelo, Dark Anchor. Es decir, Joey dice... Oh, espérate, Humberto dice... Hay en vivo en la noche después de los tariffs. Pues, ¿sabes qué? Lo puedo considerar. Puedo hacer un en vivo. ¿Cómo a qué hora? Cuando tú dices la tarde, bro. Quiero ver qué hora es... ¿Qué hora tú tienes y a qué hora tú piensas? Para ver si podemos hacerlo. Dímelo, Joey. Yo lo que quiero ver es si vamos para abajo como siempre que Trump habla. Bro, sabrá que eso ha sido últimamente lo que pasa. Y, literally, con el Bitcoin Reserve. ¿Qué rayo fue esa porquería, bro? Ese Summit, el Crypto Summit. ¿Qué porquería fue esa, mano? Fue una basura de Crypto Summit. Yo perdí dinero, bro. Me fui con el Buy the Rumor. Me fui con el Buy the Rumor, bro. Era Buy the Rumor, Sell the News. Definitivamente. Mira, Cardano 68, XRP 211, Avalanche 1915. Tipo 6 Eastern, porque creo que la noticia es 4 p.m. Eastern. ¿You Portugal? No, from Puerto Rico, bro. Yo soy de Puerto Rico. Vivo en Chicago. Sí, que se quede callado, que no diga absolutamente nada. Sí, bro. En verdad que sí, en verdad que sus palabras no han hecho muy bien al mercado. Tú dices 6 p.m. Eastern. Eso es Central Time. Aquí yo soy Central. Yo estoy Midwest. O sea, a las 5 de la tarde. Dale, yo intento hacer uno a las 5 de la tarde. Pasa que usualmente hago live stream en el otro canal, pero me lo voy a tirar. ¿Está bien? Vamos a hacerlo, bro. Vamos a hacer el live stream. Right now, Bitcoin se estaba moviendo bien. Todo se está moviendo bien. Ahora como que está halted. Yo estoy velando este Avalanche. Eso, por lo menos estoy haciendo un poquito de profit. Hay que la avalancha hace aquí. En el 30 minutes. Y rompió un trendline. Se fue para arriba. Retesteó. Es que no me gusta porque está consolidando todo, bro. Pero Bitcoin se ve por lo menos más estable. A mí me gusta por lo menos Bitcoin se ve mucho mejor. Lo que pasa es que ahora este rejection del resistance hay que esperar que haga lo que tenga que hacer. Oh, ¿tú usas traductor? Nice. But anyways, guys, That's gonna be it for today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bells. You get notified every time we are online. We do the videos con mucho amor. And as always, have a beautiful day. Let's go. Let's go. Y lo voy a dejar con esta, bro. Y dice 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
David, what is that? We're making profit, we're making profit. David, what is that? We're making profit, we're making profit. David, what is that? We're making profit, we're making profit. David, what is that? We're kicking booty, motherfucker.